In this video, I'll show you how to transfer crypto from Phantom Wallet to Crypto.com. First, open the Crypto.com app and go to the Accounts section. Tap Deposit, then choose Crypto. Next, select the cryptocurrency you want to receive. For example, Solana if you're sending SOL from Phantom. The app will then display your deposit wallet address and QR code. Carefully copy the wallet address shown in Crypto.com. Make sure the network matches the asset you are sending. For example, if you're sending SOL, the deposit must be on the Solana network. Now open your Phantom wallet, select the token you want to send, then tap Send. Paste the Crypto.com deposit address into the recipient field. After that, enter the amount you want to transfer and review the transaction details. Before confirming, double-check that the address and network are correct. Then approve the transaction in Phantom. Once the Solana network confirms the transfer, the funds will appear in your Crypto.com wallet. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.